Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Sonos Roam to new Wi-Fi, quick fix step by step clearly. To connect your Sonos Roam to a new Wi-Fi network, start by ensuring your Sonos Roam is charged. Turn on the Sonos Roam by pressing the power button. Once powered on, open the Sonos app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Make sure your mobile device is connected to the new Wi-Fi network you want your Sonos Roam to join. In the Sonos app, tap on Settings in the bottom right corner. Next, select System from the options presented. Look for the option that says Network and tap on it. Select Wireless Setup to initiate the connection process. The app will search for your Sonos Roam on the new network. Once it locates your Sonos Roam, follow the prompts to connect. You will be asked to enter your new Wi-Fi password. Type in the password carefully, then tap Join. Wait for the app to confirm that your Sonos Roam has connected successfully. After a few moments, you should see a confirmation message. To finalize, test the connection by playing audio through the Sonos app. If everything works, you're all set to enjoy your music on the new Wi-Fi network. In case you encounter any issues, restart both the Roam and the app, then try the setup process again. With these steps completed, your Sonos Roam is now successfully connected to your new Wi-Fi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.